is Husky? General information about the Husky. Siberian Husky was originally developed by the Chukchi people of the Chukchi Peninsula in the eastern Siberia. They were brought to Nome, Alaska in 1908 to serve as working sled dogs, and were eventually developed and used for sled dog racing. And in 2015, a DNA study indicated that the Siberian Husky, the Alaskan Malamute, and the Alaskan Husky share a close genetic. They were separate to the two Inuit dogs, the Canadian Eskimo dog and Greenland dog. In North America, the Siberian Husky and the Malamute both have maintained their Siberian lineage and had contributed significantly to the Alaskan Husky. Several Arctic dog breeds, including the Siberian, show a significant genetic closeness with the now extinct Taimyr wolf of North Asia due to admixture. There is data to indicate admixture of between 1 until 3% between the Taimyr wolf population and the ancestral dog population of these four high-latitude breeds. Reason and name I will pick for the Husky dog. The reason is because I pick Husky dog is cute and it's big. The name I will pick is Mochi because Mochi name is cute.